Ngayon makakasama natin si Police Lieutenant Colonel Peter Pinalgan Jr., ang Chief of Police po ng Coronadal City PNP. Sir, magandang umaga po sa inyo. Long time no see.
Yes po, ma'am. Good morning and good morning po sa ating mga listeners and viewers.
Opo, kamakailan lang po nag-umpisa itong Oplan Galugad na inisyatibo po ng Coronadal City PNP. Pwede niyo pong maibahagi sa amin, sir, ano po yung layunin ng ginagawang efforts po ng Coronadal City PNP?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, yung ating Oplan Galugad or yung tinatawag natin na one-time, big-time operation, checkpoint operation, and Oplan Sita is hindi lang po sa Coronadal City Police Station, kundi ito po ay programa ng ating PNP. This is a proactive measure to combat crimes na nangyayari sa ating mamamayan. So, pinaka-purpose niyan is hindi naman po sa pagpapahirap sa ating mga motorista, kundi part po ng crime prevention measures na ginagawa natin. And as we all know, na yung mga crimes natin is ang usual na getaway vehicles nila is motorcycle, four-wheel vehicles. That is why nag-initiate tayo ng ganong measure to check kung ang mga motor o mga vehicles may complete documents. As we all know din na yung mga kriminal ay gumagamit ng mga motorsiklo o vehicles na hindi rehistrado, walang mga plate number, o it could be dahil karnap.
Opo.
And of course, another is ito din po is measure natin doon po sa paglaganap ng mga motor napping incidents natin and car napping. Maraming nagtatanong, what is our basis on doing this? Actually, sabi ko nga po, ang PNP is mandated to implement all laws and all ordinances. So, ang ating RA 4136 is a national law. Despite that, of course, ang pinaka-primary office to implement that is our LTO.
Okay.
But as to checking and the other implementation under that law, the PNP could implement it. That's why yung isang pinaka-ano natin, kasi wala in the absence of deputization from the LTO, ang ginagawa natin dyan is hindi naman po tayo nag-i-issue ng TOP from LTO, kundi ang in-implement natin is yung ating local ordinance on